Merry Christmas! Hello there. Oh, I think I know you. Let's see. Move a little over. Yes, I know you. You're Laura. Hi, Laura. This is your old pal, Santa Claus. I haven't seen you for a long time. You've been a good girl, I hope. We have to check on you. Let's check the naughty or nice list on Laura, huh? Well, you're there. You're on the nice list. Way to go, Laura. Hey, I hear you're a photographer. I think that's really cool. And, someone very special likes you a lot because they sent you this message from me, Santa Claus, up here in my workshop in the North Pole. And you, Laura, you love kind of some strange stuff at times. Yeah, them long neckers. Yeah, you like giraffes, don't you? I do too. They have those little tongues that go out and get stuff off the trees up high. They're kind of cool. I'll be seeing them as I fly over Africa. And then as I fly to your house on Christmas Eve. So leave out those milk and cookies, Laura. Will you do that for me? Santa loves you a lot. You be good this year. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.